is me, Jackson UK. I thought I'd try something different, do some unboxing again while I was stuck indoors, see what's in the box, and I hope you enjoy it. Put a thumbs up, comment down below, share, like and subscribe. I'll see you later. Bye. Hope you enjoy it. Hi guys, it's Jackson UK. I thought I'd try something different and to see what's in this box. I haven't opened it for ages. Well, just not long to open it actually. And we have a look what's in the box together. These beautiful, oh wow, these beautiful dolls. I've got on the top, I've got Diana, as you can see. Beautiful Diana. Cover eyes. There you go. A beautiful coat. Let's have a look what's on another one. This one here. I don't know who she is. She's lovely. As you can see, the layers. Yeah, here's the next one. As you can see, that's Titanic, Rose. Is it Rose? There she goes dancing. No, on top I can see another rose. Look back, there's nothing on there. No. Beautiful hair. Okay, this one here. Lashes. As you can see. Beautiful. Sorry about the lighting, it's quite poor moment. Yeah. It's not. It's, yeah, glass in there. The layer. It's beautiful. Another one. Another one here. Yep. Glass, not painted on, just glass. Again, layers. She's beautiful, and she's another beautiful one. Go again, let's have a look. What else we got? Doesn't say the age. I have had her for a long time. Shoes you could take off. Yeah, she's beautiful. Right, so we'll go to the next one. Oh my god, she's big. Again, glass, not painted on. As you can see, top to bottom. Layered. Yep. Yeah. That's, her eyes are painted on. See? Yeah, she's lovely little necklace, as you can see. Wow, she's gorgeous. And I've got Marilyn Monroe. dress. She painted on. Yeah, looks like her eyes are painted. Marilyn Monroe. Well, I think it's Marilyn Monroe. Tell me down below. Tell me down below what she is. What else have we got? Oh, the hat goes with another one. She is big. She painted on. Yep, she's painted on. Her eyes are painted. Yep. Most of them are. Most of the modern ones are. And she is made in. Can't tell what she's made in. It's beautiful. Yeah. Yeah. It's beautiful. And the last one. She's the biggest out of the lot. As you can see, she painted on. Yep. Her eyes are painted. Yeah. Again. Yep. 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 Two of them. There's two of the biggest ones I've got there. Yeah, she's basically bigger than that one as well, bigger than that doll. Compare it. Yeah. And that's in the box. It's the hats that goes with the other dolls. That goes to the red one. Goes to the pink doll. One of the big ones. And that one that goes to the small one. Yeah. I hope you enjoy that, guys. That's all the dolls out of the box. Diana. Marilyn Monroe. Two. Is it Rose? Titanic, anyway. The woman, lady from the Titanic. There's more at the background, as you can see. I had to put them on the bed because this is too many. I'll show you. I don't know, you could just see the one at the back, the sun shining at the window. And that's all my dolls. On the back. There's 12 dolls I've got there. All of them lined up. So if you please like, share and subscribe, we quite appreciate it. And if you like more of these videos, comment down below and I'll do some more. I'll do some unboxing and I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you later, guys.